Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. Come on, children. Let us first revise our previous work. बच्चों हमने जो पहले लिखा है वो वाला वर्क हम पहले रिवाइज कर लेंगे. Come on, start revising with me. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Come on, turn the page with me. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. Come on, next page. Capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. Now turn the page with me. Come on, revise the next page. Come on, capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. Next, come on, capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital T, small t. Now turn the page, come on. Parents, I request you to draw lines with the blue ball pen. Here is the format. Look here. You have to draw 1, 2, 3. In the next page, 4 and 5 lines. This way you have to draw the format. Dear parents, आपको इसी तरह 2 पेजेस के अंदर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. And that is with the blue ball pen. Remember parents, you have to use only blue ball pen for drawing the lines. आपको ऐसे इस पेज में आपको 1, 2, 3 लाइन्स ड्रॉ करनी है और नेक्स्ट पेज में आपको 1 और 2 लाइन्स ड्रॉ करनी है. So now we will start writing our work. Come on children, start with me. Come on children, start writing with me. First we will write capital U from red line to blue line. Small u, you have to touch both the blue line. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. Come on, in the next column we will write from the red line to blue line. Capital V, small v. Capital V, small v. Capital V, small v. Next we will write, after capital V we will write capital W. From red line to blue line, small w, you have to touch both the blue line. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. Next we will write capital X, red line to blue line, small x, you have to touch both the blue line. Capital X, small x. Capital X, small x. Now in the next page we will write capital Y, red line to blue line, small y, you have to start from blue line and you have to touch down red line. This way you have to make capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. In the next column we will write capital Z, red line to blue line, small z, we have to touch both the blue line. Children, let us speak again. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Now let us write the first line. We will complete the first line. अब हम लोग फर्स्ट लाइन कंप्लीट करेंगे.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Capital U, small u. Speak and write with me, children. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. Children, you have to write in the neat and clean writing. Also, आपको लाइन टच करके अच्छे से लिखना है. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. This way, you have to complete full line of capital U, small u. Now we will write the next line. Come on, start with me. Capital V, small v. Speak and write, children. Capital V, small v. Capital V, small v. Speak and write. Capital V, small v. Touch the red line to blue line. Capital V and small v. You have to touch both the blue line. Capital V, small v. Children, this way you have to complete the line of capital V, small v. Now we will complete the next line. Capital W, small w. 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 Complete the line of capital W, small w in the neat and clean writing. Now we will complete our next line. Come on, start with me. Capital X, small x. Capital X, small x. Speak and write, children. Capital X, small x. 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 Complete the page like this way. Now we will come on the next page. So come on, start writing with me. Capital Y, small y. Start from the red line to blue line. Small y, blue line to down. You have to touch red line. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Speak and write, children. Capital Y, small y. Complete the line this way. Now we will write the next line. That is the last line. So start writing from the red line to blue line. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Children, I request you to write in the neat and clean writing. बच्चों, आपको अच्छे से neat and clean writing में लिखना है. Complete the page this way in the neat and clean writing. Parents, आपको इसी तरह अपने बच्चे के पास ये पूरा वर्क कंप्लीट कराना है in a neat and clean writing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.